Oil, the black gold beneath our feet. It powers our cars, fuels industries, and shapes economies. But have you ever wondered? How do we pull this valuable resource from deep within the Earth? Let's explore the powerful machines and fascinating processes behind oil extraction. It all begins with exploration. Geologists study rock formations and use seismic waves to scan underground. By sending vibrations into the Earth and analyzing the echoes, experts can locate possible oil reserves deep beneath the surface. Once a promising site is found, test drilling confirms if oil is actually there. When oil is confirmed, the real action begins: drilling. A towering machine called a derrick supports a long, rotating drill bit that bores deep into the earth. This drill cuts through layers of rock and soil. As it goes deeper, drill pipes are added one after another, creating a long string. To keep the well stable, a casing is inserted and cemented into place. This prevents the walls from collapsing and keeps the oil from leaking. Once the drill reaches the oil-bearing layer, it's time to bring the oil to the surface. In many cases, natural pressure forces the oil upwards. But when pressure isn't enough, machines take over. This leads us to the pumpjack. These iconic machines, often called nodding donkeys, use a counterweight system to pull oil up from the well. A motor powers the up and down motion, lifting oil to the surface through pipes. In offshore drilling, massive platforms use advanced pumps and compressors to extract oil from beneath the seabed. Once extracted, crude oil is sent through pipeline or loaded onto tanker trucks and ships for transport. It then arrives at refineries, where it's processed into gasoline, diesel, plastics, and countless other products. Modern drilling also comes with responsibility. Companies now invest in spill prevention, waste management, and monitoring systems to reduce environmental impact. From advanced sensors to closed-loop systems, technology helps ensure oil is extracted safely and efficiently. Extracting oil is a blend of science, engineering, and powerful machines working in harmony. From deep underground to your car's engine, it's a journey few see, but all benefit from. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating engineering documentaries.